Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining.
What's up everybody, Zach or Quads here. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm doing another advanced supply drop opening video. They just came out with a bunch of new stuff on it. Black Ops 3 there a couple days ago, so I'm pretty hyped. They got like the wrench, well that's not new, but they got the crossbow, the new pistol. They got a whole bunch of new sick stuff for Black Ops 3, so I'm hyped to do this video. I've been grinding for crypto keys over double XP a little bit, right? I didn't get to play all weekend because I've been editing lots of videos on my channel and stuff. So we're gonna open up some supply drop. Let's do this. We want some rares.
Here we go.
Let's open this up. Legendary body. Locust, then the night.
Try not to look so surprised. Doesn't sell that badass image.
Stealth with it.
Wow. Things worth more than all your other shit added together.
Royal. It's not bad, actually. Back on the
Hey.
Oh, let's go. Oh! Prestige for the SVG?
Serious weapon.
That's a fucking nasty camo. Fucking right. We got Old Royal for the MI shit. Not bad.
Sweet. Wow. Things worth more than all your other shit added together.
We got dust.
Got some sweet stuff.
So I have 200.
It's gonna be all eyes on you.
Come on.
Check it out. Check it out.
Come on, man. Put me a knife or a butterfly knife or something. Not that knife. Oh, we got enough for one more.
Serious weapon.
Come on, boys. Fuck. Come on. Good luck here. Let's go. Let's get this. What is that? 2 comments on my last one?
See? That's why you came to me.
That was a straight rip. Ripped off again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another advanced supply drop video coming soon, I'm sure. Some more other videos. We're gonna be doing some new series. I might start doing some more cut cons and stuff where I tell you guys stories and stuff. While people do that, where it's funny encounters, opinions, reviews, etc. Right? So drop a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. I'm out.
Back.